Hi all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sherry, and I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and hit that little subscribe button along with that notification bell so you can be informed every time I upload a new video. So as you guys can tell from the thumbnail, we're gonna be unboxing our June 2020 Boxyluxe. So if you're interested in what I got in my box, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and cut it open, but I did not look inside. I want to be surprised with you. And everyone knows I have my special opinions and feelings about Boxycharm. So let's open her up. I can't see anything on top because they had put the paper and everything on top. And as you can see, it is my Luxe box. Thought we were getting actual cards. Maybe I don't remember from 3 months ago, but theme is Oasis for this month. I am not gonna look at the paper because I want to be excited when I go in. There's only this, so I hope my stuff is not broken. Okay, first thing I grab out of the box is going to be this, and this is the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. I did choose this item because I want to try it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what the wand looks like. I heard that it's supposed to be really good. This is what the tube looks like, so it's a pretty tube. And I'll show you what the wand looks like. So it is quite large. I usually like smaller brushes, but we'll see how she ends up working. Well, it shouldn't be too bad. I heard that it's supposed to be good. I don't know. We're going to have to test her out and see. Now, let me look at the paper. It says Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, an extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. And she retails for $24. So I'm happy to get that because I picked it clearly. In the box was also an item that I had chosen, and this is the Smile Science teeth whitening pens. Now, as being a dental assistant my entire life, when I saw bleaching pens, I said, sure, I'll try them. Why not? I can review these for you and let you know as a dental professional what these do and how they work. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, but I'm really excited to give these a try. And on the paperwork, it says Smile Science Teeth Whitening Set. This is a 2-pack pen teeth whitening gel that will have your teeth whiter and brighter after just one use. We'll have to see about that, huh? The dual pen pack will last you all month. Now, in my personal opinion, this should last you way longer than a month. You should not be using this consistently, but to each their own. And this retails for $80. So it's a little bit pricey, so I'm excited to see if these really work. And in the box is going to be M Greengrass CBD head to toe cream, and it says CBD level is 100 milligrams, and that's pretty nice. It's exciting. I will squirt just a tad bit out on my hand. Not sure if this is something I will really use, but this is what the cream looks like. It rubs out very nice. It does not feel thick or heavy. Has no scent, so that's nice. Let's read about it. M Greengrass CBD Head to Toe Cream. The unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption. This is also packed with high-performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits. Use as a daily facial moisturizer or challenging spots for all skin types, and it retails for, are you ready? $56. Look at that. Well, if anybody would like to trade this for something, let me know, because I don't think I'm really going to use this. I mean, I'd rather give it to someone who's going to get some use out of it. So if you want to trade for something, let me know. I'll be more than happy to trade for it. Next thing in the box is going to be this right here, and it's the Melon Gotez Recovery Treatment Oil. I probably butchered the name, but I do my best, okay, guys? And this is what it looks like. And this is a face oil, I would presume. So I'm not going to open it because it's, you know, cosmetic stuff and it has a dropper and I don't want to open it. Let's read about it. Absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. Evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils help boost hydration. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver vitamin C and E to improve skin tone. Geranium and borage oils help balance skin, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. Are you ready for this? $82 retail. Okay. If someone would like this and wants to trade me for something, let me know. I'll also be willing to trade that. Going to be the Bodyography, and these are a 2-pack lip pencil. These are the colors. They're very nice. I do use colors like this, so let's go ahead and swatch them. Those are the 2 colors. They pretty much look like the pencil tips. Very pretty, and they went on very, very smoothly. So happy to get those. I'm gonna put those in my little drawer because I will use those. Bodyography lip pencil set. Pouty and Rosewood are the name of the colors. Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick. With precise pigment rich, color to fame, fill in, divine, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E, and the set retails for $28. Next thing in my box is going to be the Perlice Perfect Glow BB Cream, and it says oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types and even sensitive skin, it says. Now, with BB creams, I do enjoy them. By the way, it has SPF 30 in it, so I do like that. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my hand and see what it looks like, because mine is in the shade medium, and that is what she looks like. So I think that will work for me. I mean, for it to be a medium, that's pretty light for a medium, or is it just me? I don't know. Blending it out. It's pretty light. Look at my skin. It's pretty light, but my face is always lighter than the rest of my body. It blends out very nicely. No fragrance, which I like. And it says the benefits: improves skin complexion, softens and evens skin, hydrates the skin, and helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots, and also protects you from the UVA and UVB rays. Complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer. Duh, it's a BB cream, right? With all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation. And this retails for $35. So I'm always happy to get this, because on days that I don't really want to wear makeup, I will throw this on. So I'm happy to get that. I like that. And it feels like it goes on very nice, and it's not very shiny, like greasy, usually like a BB cream normally is. So I'm excited to try that out. And this is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. Now, I have a few people that have told me this is pretty good compared to the rest of her stuff, but we shall see. I'm going to open it up and show you the box. I have Foaming Face Wash. I literally have 2 open right now, so I'm not going to open this and use it yet. It's a pretty good size bottle, not for nothing. It's a 5 fluid ounce bottle. And you know, foam washes usually last you forever. So I'm excited to try that. I will never say no to a foaming face wash. I know I complain about skincare all the time. But foaming face wash, I like. Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. Luxurious foam wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil and packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping remove dirt, oil, makeup for a fresh, bright complexion, and it retails for $24. I mean, for Kylie Skin, I don't think, like, you're paying for the name pretty much, but $24 is not bad. So I'm okay to get that. We'll see how it looks. We'll see how I feel about it. And it's the Tarte palette. And let's take it out. It comes with a little paper and it just tells you about some looks that you can do, which I think it's great that Tarte and Too Faced put these kind of things in their boxes, because people who are new to makeup or just starting out to makeup, like, those are good tools for them to look at, you know. I'm going to take the little plastic thing off. I know it's going to blind you guys because of the gold. But this is what she looks like. It's very pretty, but it's very, I don't know how to explain it without sounding weird. Like, I feel like I have all these colors in other palettes. What do you think? It's very pretty and it smells good, but I don't know. I like it. I think it's nice. I think it's a beautiful palette, but I think I might not keep it. I think I might sell it on Mercari or something, but it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Read about it. Tardis Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Prepare for expression explosion. This passionate about beat pigment, the sequel to the OG Pro palette, come in play. Rich, vibrant 20 shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. MSRP retail for this is $49. Comes in this box this month. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup items. 1, 2, 3, 4 skincare and lifestyle item, we'll say, because this is a lifestyle item. Yes, I chose this, so I get it, but I hate getting so much skincare. I say it all the time. Now, with Boxyluxe, it is an upgrade every 3 months from your original base box, and it is $49.99, okay? Every 3 months. You won't get the base box, you'll get this, which is the Luxe box. Now, I do think the value is great. I can say that. I did get variation number 3. So I'm going to go ahead and add up the total on my box and be right back. Okay, so the total on my box is $378. So we paid $50 for this box and my total was $378. So the value is good. Yes. Are some things kind of overpriced? In my opinion, yes. But for $50 box, I enjoy what we got. Basically, this palette paid for the box. So if you were to buy this palette on your own, and then you get all these items, so it's worth it. Yes, it is absolutely worth it. So let me know what you think of my box down below. If you got the same box, if we're box twins, let me know. And let me know if you liked something in my box that you didn't get, or vice versa. Let me know if you got something that you know, didn't like and wanted something else. How about the BB cream? Did everybody get their right shade? Because medium looks pretty light to me, in my opinion, but excited to know about that. And also, if anyone would like to trade one of these items for something else, let me know. Maybe we can make a swapski happen. And also, if you like the eye look that I created, this video will be going up very shortly. I did do this look with the cremated palette, so I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I tried to do a look that wasn't so very gray, since everyone said Jeffree Star's palette was all gray. So until the next video, guys, I love you. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? All it takes is you just to tap that little button. Become part of the fam. And until the next video, guys, stay safe. Love you. Bye.